Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you the best way to promote Cash App on YouTube. So Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment solution that a lot of people are using. And so the way I found the best way to promote Cash App is by using Cash App as the solution to people's problems. So I just created a quick diagram of problems that Cash App solves, and then I'll tie it all in the end as far as how to actually promote Cash App on YouTube. So the problems that Cash App solves is that it solves peer-to-peer payments, it solves a lot of small business solutions, it solves a lot of banking and financial services, it makes accessibility open to a lot of basically reducing barriers between two different parties. Also solves problems within the personal finance management space and also security and privacy. So with these different categories or realms in mind, let's take, for example, peer-to-peer payments. If you have the problem that, okay, there's a peer-to-peer payment problem, how do I send money to my father? The way to promote Cash App is using Cash App as a solution to that problem. So the next step from actually understanding what problem you want to solve by using Cash App is using a tool called vidIQ. So in vidIQ, what I'll actually type is Cash App how to transfer money to. I'll type in a keyword like how to transfer money to, and then I'll click on matching terms. And so here are all the problems that people have, okay? These are all searchable problems that people have. And so what you need to do is find a problem in which Cash App can be the solution. So for example, how to transfer money to Iran family. Maybe Cash App will work in Iran and you can use Cash App. So in the video that I'll make on YouTube, it'll be titled how to transfer money to Iran family. And then in the video, I'll say, hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to an Iran family. And in order to do that, you're going to need to install this app called Cash App. So that is actually how I think is the best way to promote Cash App on YouTube, is by using Cash App as the solution to people's problems and then finding those problems using a tool like vidIQ. So these are all problems that people have: how to transfer money, UBL to Payoneer, how to transfer money from UBA prepaid card, how to transfer money from credit card to Gcash. These are all problems that people have, and some of these problems I'm sure Cash App can be the solution to. You just have to figure that out. So that is the best way to promote Cash App on YouTube. If you know of a better way to actually promote Cash App on YouTube, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.